Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss what a VirtualBox is and why it is used and how can we download. Let's move on to the video. VirtualBox is a free and open source virtualization software developed by Oracle. It allows users to run multiple operating systems on a single physical machine by creating virtual machines. This enables you to test, develop, and use different operating systems without needing separate hardware for each one. VirtualBox is used to create and manage virtual machines, allowing users to run multiple operating systems simultaneously on a single physical computer. It's beneficial for testing software, learning new operating systems, and isolating environments safely and efficiently. Now, how to download VirtualBox. Go to the official VirtualBox website using the link provided in the description. Once you click the link, navigate to the download section and select the Windows host. You can see that the VirtualBox application is now downloading. Once the download is complete, go to File Explorer and open the application. It will ask, do you want to allow this app? Click on Yes. Click on Next to continue. We are going to use the VirtualBox application, so click on Next. Click on Yes to install missing Python dependencies and then click Install to start the installation process. Once the installation process finished, click on Finish. It will automatically open the application. Finally, we have installed the VirtualBox application successfully. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and updates.